Good morning, Avni. Now, last week we had been talking about a sector that has delivered huge returns to its investors, the capital goods sector. And one of the companies that shone out of the pack was Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Over the last 1 year, the share has gained almost 138% for its investors. Now, as of Friday, HAL joined the elite group of companies with a market capitalization of over 2 trillion rupees. Their stock on Friday jumped to a high, almost 6%, to 3050. Right now it is hovering around 3019 types. It becomes the 7th PSU in India to have a market capitalization of over $2 trillion. Over the last 10 months, the stock jumped, of course, 120%. Last 1 year, 138%. HAL's order book is likely to grow from 0.8 trillion rupees in financial year 2023 to 3 times to 2.4 trillion rupees in financial year 2024. First question, is it going to be, do you think that like BHEL, this stock scrip is also going to be re-rated? And is it a time to buy when it is around 3015? It will cross even the last week's high of 3050.
Yes, so on HAL, our view is extremely positive, but it's on a little longer period of time. Say probably in next 3 to 4 months, we are looking at targeting levels of somewhere around 3200 to 3250 on the upside. And any dips in the stock should be used as a buying opportunity. Dips can occur, see, because from short-term trading point of view, there's a lot of open interest built up at 3000 call. And that's why probably we are looking at some resistance, and it had already opened with a huge gap up above 3000 on Friday, but there was no shedding in the 3000 call. So the call writers are steadfast here, and until and unless we see any kind of unwinding happening at 3000, immediate hurdle is between 3000 to 3050. The stock may give a dip up to around 2960. That's a very, very good level to enter into the stock. Long-term view, by long-term, I mean around 3 to 4 months. We are targeting around 3200 to 3250. So view positive, any dips till 2960 should be used as a buying opportunity. And the overall stop loss on this entire trade can be kept at 2870 from where the breakout had occurred.
Avni, you spoke about 3 to 4 months. HAL could benefit almost $60 billion worth of orders in defense from aircraft orders from now till financial year 2028. So even for the very long-term investors who want to buy and keep, is it a good stock to get into right now?
Definitely, it's a very good stock. Longer the time horizon, I think it's more lucrative to get into the stock. And one can probably look at buying it on SIP basis, or whenever there's a dip in the stock, one can accumulate the stock. We are targeting 3250 level in 3 to 4 months, but if you have a horizon of 5 years, it's a stock to be accumulated, kept in the portfolio.